What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to my channel where we find the best free or discounted AI generation programs because we know how expensive things can get as content creators. So I want to thank you once again for liking and subscribing. We are definitely getting the word out. And right now, this is a continuation of my previous tutorial on Capcut, or my introduction of Capcut. And I'm going to show you how to do captions. And this is my favorite feature of Capcut. Among many of the other awesome features, this is my favorite. Let's get started. Okay, I already have a video selected, and this is the video that you actually just watched of the Capcut introduction. And we're going to go on the top and we're going to click Captions. And then all we're going to do is come down here to the middle and we're going to press Generate. All right, and we're done. These captions are definitely not going to make someone stop scrolling, right? So there's nothing exciting about these. And this is the free version. Like, I think there are a couple other options with the free, but I do have the paid version, and I'm going to show you all the other templates. So on the top right, I'm going to go to text, and then the templates are loading. Okay, we're up here, and on the top right, you have some basic edits and basic modifications you can make. Okay, let's take a look at what the captions look like currently. And then I can add different borders and backgrounds. So again, I'm not crazy. I think you can do this on the free version also. So it's not bad. I'm not crazy about them. So again, these are the basic modifications: size, thickness, border, background. But I like using templates. If you go to templates, my goodness, look at this. Watch this. These are all of your options. And obviously, these are all pro. Oh, look, there are some free down here. Not bad. They're just endless, people. It's just endless. It keeps going and going and going. I like to keep things pretty simple, right? I could spend way too much time just browsing through all these. But I like using the ones right near the top. Like this one's kind of cool. Right at your fingertips. Okay. You can easily cut, and then I can change the position. Stop. Merge clip. I have to pause it, and then, I don't want to move the video. I want to move the captions. Right, and I can move the position of the captions. Software, because we know how. So I'm going to go back up here, and I actually like this one also. This one. Okay, cool. Expensive. Like cost can get as content creators. I like this. Today, I want to talk about Capcut. So creating stunning videos just got a whole lot easier. If you use this is the all-in-one free video editing app designed to turn. Let me pause this. When you use less words, your audience will be more captivated. It's harder to read a lot of words, but keep them shorter, maybe 2 to 3 words instead of 5 or 6 or 7. It's just easier, and you will captivate your audience more. That's just a little tip. Your ideas into reality. And what I love about this, that's it. I mean, that's all you need to do for captions. And then when we're done with this, when I'm happy with this, I just export it up here, right? And I'm done. So listen, this is just the first tutorial on Capcut with captions. There are a lot of other features on here. Features like text-to-speech and AI characters and animation. This really is a one-stop shop for your video creation needs, whether you're doing shorts or regular long-form videos, YouTube videos, faceless YouTube channels, whatever you're doing. This is an awesome option for you to edit your videos. All right, so anyway, if you haven't done so already, please like and subscribe. Definitely helps get the word out. The links to this program and some other programs that I use are in the description, and I will see you on the next video.